Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. Tonight we are quickly looking at Dogecoin because today, whilst we are all by only 2.5%, yes, it isn't the largest amount, I do know, it could definitely indicate something very interesting for Dogecoin because today is one of the first days that we are seeing in the green for a long time because yes, I know that we have been climbing out of this rut now for about the past week, but ultimately from this point only 5 days ago you can see we are still down, we're still in the red, and now Dogecoin prices are about 26 cents. So again, it definitely has come down by quite a lot from the highs that we are seeing, but the question is it going to start to go back up right now? Well guys, nobody knows for sure, and I am not a financial advisor, but if you do want to hear my opinions and thoughts, make sure to watch this video all the way through to the end. I will try and keep it short for you guys because I do think that you do enjoy that, but we are going to quickly not waste any more time and jump into this video. So we're going to start off by looking at the amount of interest for cryptos over the past week or so. So ultimately, this is the top 10 coins over the past week by social volume. And again, this information, as in previous videos, is coming from this source called Lunar Crush. Anyway, so Lunar Crush down here says that the third most socially relevant cryptocurrency is Dogecoin. And again, this is interesting because to me at least, I find it very, very interesting indeed. This is coming after Safe Moon. Now, Safe Moon, we talked about it very briefly on a Friday episode, I do believe. I think that is another interesting cryptocurrency. I definitely think it is a lot of hype at the moment for sure. But the question is, is this one more valuable than Dogecoin long term? Well, ultimately, I do think it's interesting that this one has got so many searches. However, Dogecoin is still coming in a solid third. And we can see it isn't even too far behind this Safe Moon cryptocurrency. Now, inevitably and understandably, Bitcoin is in first place. I think that's completely acceptable. So to see this one in second is okay in my opinions at least. Now we're going to move over to the actual volume and actual volatility that we are seeing in a lot of other cryptos in the past 7 days. So again, this tells us a lot of our favorite cryptos and what they are doing. So for a bit of context, and I know this is a bit cramped down here on this chart, ultimately you can see Doge is in last place. And again, this is by market cap, and this is actually only counted in the top few cryptos. So again, Doge is in number 7 as far as market cap is concerned, but I really want to focus on the actual trading method, or at least how this stock has been trading, or how this crypto rather has been trading over today in relation to some other cryptocurrencies. Because if we look at Bitcoin over at the top, of course Bitcoin took that big sell-off last week, which wasn't great, and again Dogecoin followed, as did a lot of other cryptos. But obviously Bitcoin picking itself back up today, fantastic. Ethereum, similar story, dropped off, came back quite strong today, great. BNB is doing a very similar thing down here. This is the third by market cap. We can see USTD, well, that's just doing its own thing. We have XRP. Similar story to the first 3 or 4 that we are seeing, but obviously a less prevalent pullback, and again that's got its own issues and reasons for that, but that's a different topic. Cardano ADA seen a very strong pullback as well, again not as strong as Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it is still on the same tracks, and Dogecoin is a bit lacking behind, as is XRP, so you do have to be asking yourself, does this one have the potential now to turn itself around? And honestly, I think it definitely does going forwards. Again, if we're looking over to the candlestick charts, we can see that ultimately we haven't really moved past this low that we are seeing down here around the 25-cent mark. I mean, yes, we have seen wicks that have dipped past it, but ultimately, as far as candlestick bodies are concerned, it does appear to be a bit of a support rather for this currency. And again, I am very, very happy to see that. So one thing that I do want to state is obviously Dogecoin is quite a risky investment. We just don't know where this one is going. People think it's definitely going to be accepted as a real cryptocurrency going forwards. I think that's not impossible. I definitely think it could happen. But obviously at the moment we just don't know if that is the case. It is still a bit more of a joke cryptocurrency. However, it is becoming more and more relevant, more and more prevalent as well. And it definitely does now have the potential to become something big and real. So again, I definitely think that Dogecoin could be going up big this week. I would like to see a bit more slow and steady growth going forwards, but again, who knows what is going to happen. All it would take is one catalyst to send Dogecoin flying a bit further into the sky, I do believe. But what I'm trying to say is that Dogecoin does now have the potential to turn itself around. Again, we can see that we have not really gone past this 25-cent support, which is good. Yes, we have had a few wicks to the downside which have gone below that, but bodies of the candlesticks have stayed above that, which is good. So going forwards, I hope that we can remain in this level. I hope that we can beat it and continue continue to grow, and if that is the case, I think fantastic. Dogecoin could be a fantastic buy right now if you do understand the risks associated. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all again very soon. Goodbye.